So over here you can see that I have this diagram and this is in a certain page right here. So if you want to go around and change around the page width and height, then you can go around onto the file menu over here and then go to page setup. So once you go around over here, you can choose the paper size as you can see right here. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around and select A4 right here, and instead of portrait, let me just go around select landscape. You can go around, change around the grid size over here. Let's say double the size, and then you can go around and apply a background over here as well. So you can drag in an image right here and then add in, let's say, image URL over here, but you can go around and fill it out with colors and shadows as well, just like this. So let me just press apply right here, and this is the background as you can see right here. Press apply, and then this is the result as you can see right here. It changes up the page size right here onto landscape, and this is how it looks. Let me just go around over here onto page setup, and in background, let me just go around over here, and you can see this is the fill color. Let me just change around the fill color, apply, and this is how it looks as you can see, just like this. Let me just go around over here, change, and then you can enable these out, or you can go around and, as we said, you can drag in an image over here as well. So for that, I'm just going to go around and click and drag this, and you can see that I have the Explorer opened up right here. Let me just go around and bring in this image right here. So I'm just going to go around and drag in this image right here, just like this, apply, and then you can see that that can be applied as a background over here, just like this as well. So that is how you can go around and then work around with the page setup options inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.